Hey everyone, I'm back with my second Artisan unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing the Black Sheep Rami by Yu.Keys. The RNG gods finally let me win a raffle, so I'm excited to show you guys what I got today. First, here we have the ID card. I think it's really well designed, and I like how each Rami has its own birthday. Up next, we have stickers. Super cute, really well designed too. This message card was really sweet. Thank you, Yu.Keys, for the kind words. Last but not least, we have our Black Sheep Rami. I'm a really big fan of this clear packaging. I could honestly see some people keeping it in this case as a display piece. The text on the case is also a really nice touch. Going in for a closer look, I think the almost cartoon-like aesthetic works really well here. So now we're going to look at all of the side profiles of the Rami. The maker's mark is really well done. I wonder what the meaning is behind it, because it looks really cool. Here's Rami on my NK65. Overall, another great mail day and another great Artisan Keycap added to my collection. If you're interested in learning more about Yu.Keys, I'll have their links in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel since I have some pretty exciting videos coming up. Until then, see you next time and stay safe out there.